Welcome back to my channel. Today, let us unbox the new iPhone 13 Pro Max from Apple. It has 256GB capacity. The weight is 238 grams. Here is the Apple USB-C cable. This thing will help you to place your SIM card. The screen is 6.7 inches with OLED screen display. It is also splash, water, and dust resistant. It has rounded corners that follow an amazing design. Unfortunately, the 20-watt power adapter is not included in the box. And also other accessories can be purchased separately. There are 5 available colors in the market: graphite, gold, silver, shara blue, and this one is alpine green. For an in-depth information, you can visit the Apple website. In comparison with iPhone 7 Plus, you will know the evolution of Apple technology.